Hello guys and everybody. Today I just make a home that I want to build in the future when I was an adult. Now this is my dream house and last time I just built it. It has 2 gates and some walls and a house that is really big. And also I also planned that my garden will be here and here. But now I have a plant plot here with a plant. My house has a chimney for Christmas. And also in here there's the living room, the bathroom, and the kitchen, the bedrooms, and many more. So I would like to watch monster cats invading my home. So I want to build my house in the future because this is my favorite house ever. And also my house also has some signs here that my dream house in the future and also the word welcome. So welcome guys to my house. Bye.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm making a cardboard house.
Yeah?
The cardboard, I was going to bring it to the school, so yeah, I'm going to bring it to school though.
Mà trúng tay á. Nó khít quá vậy? Có khít không?
No.
Này là gì?
The front of the house.
Mặt trước hả? Wow. Con làm xong.
I have to finish the basic part.
Làm gì đâu?
The walls, the roof, and the chimney. Chimney.
Không khói hả? Là gì nữa? Roof á?
That's the roof.
Hey?
I'm making a plant pot.